Hey folks, let's talk about business valuation today, the basics of business valuation. So there are two broad approaches. One is the discounted cash flow approach, which is also commonly called the DCF. In this approach, what you do is that you plot future cash flows for a business, let's say year 1 to year 5, and then you discount all the cash flows earned in those future years to the present value. So let's suppose the cash flows are 100, 110, 120, 130, 140. You will discount them to the present value today, and you will use a discount rate which is called a WACC, weighted average cost of capital. Let's suppose that's 10%. So you will assign discount factors to each of the years: year 1, year 2, year 3, year 4, and year 5. You will compute the discount factors. So for example, the discount factor for year 1 is 0.9, 0.8, 0.7, 0.6 and 0.62. What you do is then you multiply the cash flows with each of the discount factors to arrive at a present value for each of the year's cash flows. So these are the each 5 years of cash flow. What you then do is you add them all up. You add them all up and you arrive at a net present value of all the future cash flows, which is 447.7, which is the business valuation using discounted cash flow. The next is multiples approach. In this approach, what you do is that you select certain financial metrics like revenue, 500, for example. EBITDA of the company is, let's suppose, 50. Net profit of the company, let's suppose, is 10. Then what you do is that you go to comparable companies, similar companies, and you find what their multiples are. And then you arrive at a valuation. For example, if a company similar to that is trading at a revenue multiple of 1x, EBITDA multiple of 10x, and for example, net profit multiple of 50x. You would multiply the company's matrix with the comparable multiples to arrive at a valuation estimate on each of these metrics. So for example, revenue multiple 500, EBITDA, net profit, all 500, and then you take an average to arrive at an average valuation using the multiples approach.